Guys, Bitcoin is breaking levels of resistance faster than anybody expected, which means it's causing the rest of the cryptos to skyrocket faster than ever as well. We're going to be discussing that in today's video. We're going to be discussing the perfect time to get in and get out. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in, when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 10,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing when we hit 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And smash that like button if you love cryptocurrencies, it really does help out the channel. Because we're currently in a bull run, and our massive bull run, which we see every single year historically, October, November, and December, you want to be in, you want to be positioned perfectly before we get to the thick of it. Because when we do reach our cycle top, I will be letting you guys know when I'm ready to sell. Guys, with the lows continuing to get higher and the highs continuing to get higher on the Bitcoin charts, with a bullish flag and pennant forming just thereafter, we're about to see a massive pump. Guys, it's setting up, and we rarely see this sort of setup on the charts. On the Bitcoin charts, we haven't seen it in years. We are expecting a massive pump, and you're going to want to be ready, whether you're in the altcoins, whether you're in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It doesn't matter, because the rest of the altcoins follow up along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's how some of the top experts, including myself, know what to expect on the charts. Confirming our breakout, Bitcoin bounced off the last level of resistance, and it's shooting straight up from there. I'm expecting to see all-time highs for Bitcoin just within the next 7 to 14 days. And guys, when we see all-time highs for Bitcoin, expect for a lot of other altcoins to see all-time highs as well. We're currently seeing an ascending triangle in the Shiba Inu charts. Guys, we're consolidating. It's inevitably going to have to break out. And because of what I'm seeing on the charts, I'm expecting it to break out to the upside. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Dogecoin is moving down some, as you can see on the charts. Guys, it's the perfect time to buy Dogecoin when I am seeing that dip steep enough and letting you guys know. Because guys, as I've discussed previously, Dogecoin often lags behind by 2 or 3 days and then surprises out of nowhere, coming stronger than ever, outperforming the top crypto. Guys, because most of the money is flowing into Bitcoin right now, it's only a matter of time before we see a dip on the Bitcoin charts and then more money starts flowing into the altcoins. Guys, you want to be ready for this. It is the perfect time to get into the altcoins right now before this happens. Institutions, whales, companies, and countries are buying up Bitcoin more than ever right now. However, they're going to be slowly moving their money on over to the altcoins whenever Bitcoin does have a cooldown corrections period, which is inevitable. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, Bitcoin's price hits 57K, which is a 5-month all-time high. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin just this week. Bitcoin's price action beats last week's all-time high to edge ever closer to the final level of resistance before all-time highs of $65,000. Guys, when Bitcoin dominance starts to go down, we're going to see the rest of the altcoins start to pump even more than ever. Right now, we have a lot of Bitcoin dominance, and that's why it's still a really great time to buy into these altcoins during the dips. Guys, even with the US economy not looking so good, we're seeing cryptos pump more than ever. Guys, why is this? It's because people look at cryptos as a hedge against inflation. As the US dollar becomes worth less and less every single day, with the government continuing to print money, people start putting their money, their faith, their confidence in cryptos. They're moving their money over quickly because they don't want to lose money every single day holding the US dollar. We keep seeing cryptos go up every single year in value, and that's why it is one of the best investments you could possibly make. And this may very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in at these infancy stages of crypto, when they're easily less than half of their actual worth. You're officially decoupled from the stock market, which is very good news. Crypto's working and moving independently. Guys, another huge article came out titled, Shiba Inu rebounds 40%, despite major selling by the Shib whales. The sharp upside retracement surfaces as retail frenzy around Shiba Inu hints at testing May's peak levels. With Shiba Inu's use case getting better and better every single day, its marketing campaigns getting better and better every single day, including its hype surrounding Shib in all of the different social medias, it is now becoming deflationary because they're burning tokens, just like Ethereum did. And guys, that's when Ethereum just went straight up. So you're going to want to be looking out for when I call out Shib on my Patreon as well. We're seeing a lot of folks move from Dogecoin on over to Shib now because they're seeing Shiba Inu pump so much. Guys, there shouldn't be any animosity between the two. We're here to make money and that's all. And guys, as we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, we can then predict what the rest of the cryptos are going to do as well. Because as we take a look, we see a clear uptrend. It's coming right here, but guys, this was after quite a bit of volatility. Quite a bit of trading sideways because we hit the bottom 4 times, guys, a quadruple bottom that was very, very bullish, and then we headed straight up from there. We can't go straight up, so we're going to be having another dip very soon. This was a cup and handle, which is very bullish, therefore we should continue up some, but then we'll have another dip just thereafter. So you want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy the dip when I'm calling it out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment because I have such a good partnership with Webull. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.